In this video, we're going to talk about the recent Bitcoin price movement because it has just touched $35,000, with Ethereum being second up to $1,800 as well. And I'm going to discuss reasons as well as show you some of the euphoric Twitter threads on Bitcoin and what might be the reason behind this move. So let's get started. This is based on the article on pccrypto.co. If you want to look at it, you can yourself. Bitcoin Bulls, that's the name, and basically we are here. So if you look at the last 2 weeks, you basically can see that we were around the 26K price, and now we're at 34, and the biggest reason for that is actually the potential approval of ETFs. So if you don't remember, ETFs are these passive funds where mutual funds and other industrial investors are putting the money into the given ETF, investing the money from pension funds, investing the money from hedge funds and other different entities. And so far, ETFs were denied by SEC. In the US, that was the problem, but right now we have really strong contenders. So the biggest here is BlackRock, who's managing trillions of dollars, and basically it has already listed Bitcoin ETF on the Depository Trust Clearing Corporation database with the ticker IBTC, which already shows how serious they are. Moreover, apart from BlackRock, we have already 5 other contenders, being Bitwise, VanEck, WisdomTree, Fidelity and Invesco, also very well-known investors, especially you might have heard about Fidelity. They are all super serious about it, and SEC basically has the time until like 2nd of January or similar date to approve all of those ETFs or deny and give a good reason for them. However, you have to remember that BlackRock has very high approval rate. 99.9% of the ETFs were approved in the past. Of course, it doesn't mean that Bitcoin ETF can't be in this 0.01% here, but it's a really strong indicator that this ETF might be approved. And that would really cause the massive rally because you will have a lot of billions of dollars invested into Bitcoin directly, and it would cause the price to jump really, really high. How high? I don't want to predict here because no one really knows, but we might have, in this case, we might and we would probably see the highs from 2021 back. Of course, it also depends on the macro conditions because we're still in a pretty rough spot when it comes to macro. With all the rates being so high and the real estate market in the shape it is, and with the stocks market being in the shape it is. So it doesn't necessarily be so high as in 2021, but still it's a good indicator for what might happen. And here I have collected also a bunch of people from crypto Twitter discussing this euphoria to show you how people react to this news and how euphoric they are after this 10% price movements within the last 24 hours, because this is the massive news here. If you want to trade Bitcoin, just want to mention you can trade that on Maxi Crypto Exchange or Bybit Crypto Exchange. The links will be down below in the description. Those are 2 of the top exchanges when it comes to trading crypto, not necessarily just Bitcoin or Ethereum. They have many other coins that you can choose from. So really like them and wanted to recommend them here. Of course, you have to remember nothing here is financial advice. Crypto is super speculative, so still even if you haven't caught the move here, it doesn't mean that you can't buy the dip, because there will be pullbacks definitely, and it's not like it's going to $100,000 right away within the next month or so. But here are what people are saying. So for example, Hoem is saying that Bitcoin putting in multiple Ks in a daily candle, you're not used to it because we have buttered and bruised for 2 years. And this is true because in the bear market, it was super difficult and we haven't seen these moves of like 10% a day really for a long time. So there's still a lot of things to follow. CryptoLean is putting this meme of bear ascending to heaven with a lot of green arrows pointing up. Root to Fi, what did I just wake up to? BTC at 35k. Gainsy, bro, we are so back with, and he basically shares a screenshot of CoinMamba sharing his PNL, basically putting long on Bitcoin at 15x leverage. So this is massive because again, in the bull market, everyone posts about their wins. This is really true. Everyone is euphoric. Everyone is making profit, and you can't really see people losing money. Of course, this is also fake because people in the bull market also lose money, and you have to remember that. But it's definitely much easier to make money in the bull market than it is in the bear market. VanEck talks about people outside of crypto messaging him over the last 24 hours, asking about Bitcoin. So this is also very mindful of what happened in the bull market when a lot of outsiders were suddenly interested in crypto, coming to crypto, getting interested because of the price movement. So if you are one of those people, welcome to the channel, and you have to learn as much as possible before the proper bull market begins, because then you have the best chance to actually get the most out of the market. If you're still here after like the past 2 years, then congratulations, you're one of the very few, and I probably have much more knowledge than the most of the participants at this point. So yes, I'm still buying BTC. This is what Gibbs is writing. $34,000 is nowhere near my price targets. And if I thought 34K was the top, I would have sold long ago. So sticking to the plan. Louis is writing about are you not entertained, and how it's definitely more entertaining in a bull market than it is in a bear market, which is also understandable here. And yeah, bull markets definitely are more fun. You have a lot of news coming every day. All the teams that were hibernating because of the bear market, which is also natural because in a bear market, definitely less people are interested, so less people are using the products that you're trying to build as a builder, which means that a lot of people are losing focus, are trying to do different stuff. And in a bull market, when the price is going up, when there are more people coming to the crypto market, you have also more builders trying to do as many different features, as many new products as possible to interest those new users coming in, which is a really great time, because from the perspective of the market participant, you can really try different things that are being built. You can really understand much more about the crypto market itself, how it works. Really great. Of course, the best time for learning is the bear market, because it's more peaceful and you can really learn peacefully everything. In a bull market, you have so much information, you don't know what's really valuable, what's not, what's really vaporwave in the end, because there will be many things like that. There were many cases in 2021 when you have projects that had massive valuations and then went down to zero or close to one. So this is really interesting here. And of course, we are still not in a bull market. This might come in 2024, especially after we got the ETF approvals. This might be a massive turning event here, and this is what we're waiting for. But this is definitely not the case. This what we're seeing right now is people waiting for ETF and preparing for the ETF before the actual news. Whether that happens in January or maybe May 2024 or later, we don't know. No one knows. This is for SEC to decide, and there's probably a lot of politics going behind the scenes that we can't see really right now. Ash Crypto is writing about October is just a teaser. So October is really about going up. November is ultra bullish as well. So more bullish vibes. So hard to predict the price of crypto, especially of Bitcoin right now. You have to remember that Bitcoin leads the movement here, with ETH being second, and then what happens to Bitcoin and ETH will probably then go to different altcoins. You make the most out of altcoins in the end. So if you're just starting with a small capital, the best way is to go to meme coins, different smaller DeFi projects, and try to grind your way there. It's super risky, but this is where you can get the most revenue, the most of your winnings. So thank you for watching. Subscribe to the channel for more crypto news, and see you in the next video.